Hello everyone! Today, let's dive into the rent effect and explore how rental price changes impact both residents and businesses when rents rise. Residents often face tough choices. High rental costs can push individuals to move, especially when staying means sacrificing other essentials. This displacement not only impacts personal budgets, but can change the character of neighborhoods, forcing communities out and altering local culture. In extreme cases, it leads to gentrification, where original residents are replaced by more affluent newcomers, further transforming the area. For businesses, rising commercial rents present similar challenges. Small businesses are particularly vulnerable, struggling to cope with increasing costs. That can sometimes lead to closures or moves to more affordable locations, disrupting their customer base and visibility. Larger companies may absorb these increases more easily, but many local enterprises feel a heavy burden. This reshaping of commercial areas can affect the diversity and accessibility of local services. Especially in major urban centers, understanding the rent effect is crucial for both investors and policymakers. Investors can gain insights into property market trends and identify high-rent areas that may signal a need for affordable alternatives. For policymakers, awareness of the rent effect can aid in urban planning that balances growth with affordability, helping ensure cities remain vibrant and accessible for everyone. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on how economics shape everyday life. See you next time.